Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to fix the "Your connection is not private" error in Chrome. This error message can be frustrating, but don't worry. We have some simple steps to help you resolve it. Let's get started. First, let's try refreshing the Chrome page. Sometimes a simple refresh can fix the issue. Just like a quick reboot of a device can solve problems, refreshing the page you're looking at may be all you need. Try refreshing the page a few times to see if the error disappears. If refreshing doesn't work, let's move on to erasing the browser's cookies and cache. Here's how you can do it. 1. Click on the three-dot menu at the top right corner of Chrome. 2. Select More Tools. 3. Click on Clear Browsing Data. Now let's make sure your browser is updated. An outdated browser can sometimes cause security issues. Here's how you can check for updates. 1. Click on the three-dot menu at the top right corner of Chrome. 2. Select Help. 3. Click on About Chrome. By following these steps, you can ensure that your browser is up to date and potentially resolve the "Your connection is not private" error. We hope these troubleshooting steps have been helpful in fixing the issue. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this. Thanks for watching.